This, my friends, is a tour of one of the largest graveyards of vending machines in the world. I am told that there is about 2,000 pieces of equipment here, all told. As you can see, we're right underneath the BART tracks in the San Francisco Bay Area. This yard that I am in is about 2 acres, and as you can see, the machines are stacked double high throughout most of this yard. Coke machines, Pepsi machines, snack machines, refrigerators, restaurant equipment. There's some microwaves there. There's a little of everything. If anybody is viewing this that needs vending machines, you can message me in the comments below and I will certainly get back to you, as everything here is for sale. There are machines by Dixie Narco, Vendo, National, Crane National, Automatic Products, which is better known as AP, USI, known as You Select It, and just about everything else you can imagine. This is only one yard that we're starting in here. There's a second yard that I'll also do a walkthrough on. I can hear the BART train coming. That 10-passenger train comes about every 7 minutes, so it's a little bit tough to hear. Probably see about how deep these machines go. It looks like about 8 or 10. And like I said, they're all double stacked. They have Omni Cubes, which are refrigerated boxes for your vending trucks to keep your product cold in the summer. A lot of surplus equipment up here on these rafters and pallet racking. I see changers up there, refrigeration decks, shelving, steel shelving for warehouses. This is where a lot of stuff comes. It's recycled or it's refurbished, depending on how old everything is. There's some FRD frozen ice cream machines. There are restaurant refrigeration units, maybe some freezers there too, stainless steel workstations, benches. It's a Royal Coke machine. Have all kinds of coolers, reach-in coolers for lunch rooms and C-stores. Combo machines, the over and under type. There's an old USI snack machine that was commonly sold in Sam's Club. There's an AP LCM 2, I would imagine. There's a Royal 500, their first glass front that people still use today. Another combo, beverage air, refrigerator, stainless steel, hard to come by. The fridge. Coming up on a Crane or GPL food machine, maybe this is a Polyvend actually. There's an AP coffee. Got a lot of those. There's an old 368 Dixie Narco, made in the mid-80s. Another small Dixie, 276. This is where they scrap a lot of equipment as we're getting closer to the end of the yard here. They load it all up in bobtails about every day and take a load to the recycler. A lot of row changers. And that, my friends, was just one yard. Look for our second tour on the other side of the street. Thanks for watching.